And we're back. If you're just joining us, we're at Steel Rose Metal Company. It's just a bunch of friends getting together, welding on a Mercury. If you're not here, you're missing out. Oh yeah, it's my radio voice.
Yeah.
I got a voice for radio.
So if you guys have been listening to the podcast, that's Javier.
That's it.
All right, I'm going to slide over here. Say hi, I'm Mike Abbott. That's Mike Abbott, Machine Gun Mike. Sean Barrington. I'm Sean Young. Let's go around the room.
We're the ones that aren't on the podcast.
But we're
the rejects.
We're the rejects.
They don't even like talking to us.
It's
surprising we're on the video
You're
right
not on
now.
contract. You get the camera on. Everyone forget what you just saw. Those people
They can be on camera, they just can't talk. We can't.
There you go.
We love all our fans. Just don't show up.
There we go. All right, and here is the car. We spoke about the car on the last episode. This is the 50 Mercury. I've had for about 12, 13 years now. Bought it in Texas, and we chopped the roof last May. So we're doing a little finishing welding, kind of buckling things up. Mike is stretching out this sail panel back here. Like I said, it was pretty damn close. We just had some finishing work to do. So, but I'd like to thank everybody for listening to the podcast. And FYI, our new YouTube channel went live last week, and there'll be a lot of new stuff coming your way. So stay tuned, guys.